you guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a $10 or less tablescape challenge, which I did for my Instagram. I'm following a bunch of accounts that did this challenge. Oh my god, they did such a beautiful job. So I decided to join them and do this challenge. This video is going to be pretty short because I'm just going to go through the items that I bought. Again, $10 or less. The rest of the items I shopped my home, which is what everybody else did. Please make sure you are subscribed to the channel, follow my other social medias, and watch my previous videos. And yeah, let me go through the items that I actually bought. All right, so let's start with the center of the table. That is craft paper, which I picked up a roll at Dollar Tree, and I still have more left. I also wrapped my books on the craft paper, as you can see. So I have 4 books on the table. This net right here I found at Walmart, which they did have them at the Dollar Tree, but when I went to my Dollar Tree they no longer had it, so that would have been nice. But no, I found that at Walmart, and this one was $2.98, which is a long cloth which you're just supposed to hang, but I ended up cutting it into 6 pieces to make chargers out of them. But on top of that, I did place this silver charger, which I've had, and I don't know if I bought those at Michael's a few years ago or at the dollar store, but I've had those. I didn't buy that. So far I've bought the craft paper for $1, the net for $2.98. I bought these nice little napkins for $1. They were at the Dollar Tree. I did have another set, and those were orange with candy. I still have them, but I don't know, I didn't like the way it was, just too much color for me, and those were 98 cents. I didn't end up using them though. The doily here, it's a paper doily which I purchased at the dollar store, Dollar Tree. The paper plate I purchased at Walmart for 98 cents. And that's pretty much it for what I purchased. So what do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I spent like $6 or $7 on my tablescape, and I love it. I'm having my nieces over for Halloween. We're gonna all go trick-or-treating together. So I wanted to do something cute for them when they got here. Like I said, everything else I shopped my home. Like the charger, the silver charger I already had. The cups I've had. The fork and spoon I had. Let's see, the pumpkin you guys saw I hauled that. That's from Target. That vase is from IKEA, which was also probably like $1 or less. I can't remember, but it was really affordable. It's probably like 98 cents as well. The little dishes from Target, the books from Target. That little cake stand is so pretty, isn't it? I found that at Ross. I did not buy that. I did buy it, but I didn't buy it this time. I shopped my home, you guys. This vase, it's a Lennox vase, which my sister gave to me for my wedding a lot of years ago. The ghost is from Target. You guys have seen that already. And the little bats, I had construction paper, so I cut the little bats out and just hung them with string. The sticks I just moved them. I had them somewhere else. I just decided to put them on the table for this cute little tablescape. And that's it, you guys. Like I said, I spent like $6 or $7 for this tablescape, and I love it. It's super cute, and I know the kids are going to love it when they come over for Halloween. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you are subscribed to the channel, follow my other social medias, and watch my previous videos. Until next time, my loves, mwah, hugs and kisses. Bye.